Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. If you find our videos interesting and want to be part of our growing community, I'd really appreciate it if you could take a moment to hit the like button and subscribe. In this video we will understand how to sketch the face of this girl. Embrace the joy of learning as you embark on the journey of sketching, where each line and shade is a brushstroke in the canvas of your artistic growth. Your commitment to improvement shines through every stroke, showcasing the evolving language of your artistic expression. Art is a dynamic learning experience. Savor the excitement of discovering new techniques and allowing your creativity to unfold. As you explore the intricacies of sketching, remember that every challenge is an opportunity to refine your skills and expand your artistic horizons. Celebrate the uniqueness of your artistic voice, recognizing that your sketches are a reflection of your evolving style and creative identity. In the realm of art, mistakes are stepping stones to mastery. Embrace them, learn from them, and let each one guide you toward artistic excellence. Your dedication to the craft is commendable. Every sketch is a testament to your passion and the resilience that fuels your artistic journey. Every line you draw is a stroke of progress, a tangible mark of your commitment to becoming a more skilled and expressive artist. The beauty of learning lies not just in the final sketch but in the transformative process that shapes your artistic capabilities. Take pride in the small victories, for each successful technique mastered is a building block toward a more proficient and confident artistic self. As you navigate the world of sketching, remember that growth often occurs outside your comfort zone. Embrace challenges as opportunities for advancement. Artistic evolution is a continuous story. Each sketch contributes to the narrative of your creative journey, adding depth to your expressive repertoire. Your sketches are like chapters in a book, telling the story of your artistic development. Revel in the narrative that unfolds with each stroke of your pencil. Celebrate the diversity of your artistic influences, for it is through a variety of styles and techniques that your own unique voice emerges. Art is a lifelong exploration, and each sketch is a chapter in the ongoing saga of your creative adventure. Enjoy the process as much as the outcome. Your dedication to learning is the driving force behind your artistic prowess. Each sketch is a testament to the countless hours invested in your craft. Acknowledge that every sketch, regardless of its perceived quality, is a valuable learning experience. It's through practice that mastery is achieved. Artistic expression is a dance of discovery. Your sketches are the footprints of your exploration, marking the path of your evolving artistic identity. Thank you for watching.